Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about one of my favorite meats, lamb chops. Lamb chops are not only delicious, but they are also incredibly versatile when it comes to cooking. So, I'm going to show you 5 different ways to cook lamb chops that will make your taste buds dance. Grilled lamb chops. The first way to cook lamb chops is by grilling them. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat and season the lamb chops with salt, pepper, and olive oil. Place the lamb chops on the grill and cook for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Once they are done, remove them from the grill and let them rest for a few minutes before serving. Pan-seared lamb chops. The second way to cook lamb chops is by pan-searing them. Heat a skillet over medium-high heat and season the lamb chops with salt and pepper. Add olive oil to the skillet and cook the lamb chops for 3 to 4 minutes on each side, until they are browned and crispy. Once they are done, remove them from the skillet and let them rest for a few minutes before serving. Slow-cooked lamb chops. The third way to cook lamb chops is by slow cooking them. Season the lamb chops with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs and spices. Place them in a slow cooker and add some liquid, such as chicken broth or red wine. Cook on low for 6 to 8 hours, until the lamb chops are tender and falling off the bone. Roasted lamb chops. The fourth way to cook lamb chops is by roasting them. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and season the lamb chops with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs and spices. Place them on a baking sheet and roast for 15 to 20 minutes, until they are cooked through and slightly browned. Broiled lamb chops. The final way to cook lamb chops is by broiling them. Preheat your broiler and season the lamb chops with salt, pepper, and olive oil. Place them on a broiler pan and broil for 3 to 4 minutes on each side, until they are cooked through and slightly charred. There you have it, 5 different ways to cook lamb chops that are sure to satisfy your taste buds. Whether you prefer grilling, pan-searing, slow cooking, roasting, or broiling, there is a lamb chop recipe that is perfect for you. So, grab some lamb chops and get cooking.